This is a very unusual 1955 Ford Mainline Tudor business coupe, and under the hood here we have that brand new Veep for 1955 V8, the 272 Y-block. And interestingly enough, we've got an air conditioner here. There's the plumbing. There is a condenser down there in front of the radiator, and that firewall, you can see the original color was that blue. There you see the condenser, and here is the paint. It looks like the original paint, but it's all faded. We've got hubcaps and wheel trim rings. Notice there's really the chrome in the front and back of the car is excellent. There is no side chrome on the Mainline. And here we have the where the back seat would be. It's that business coupe style with just the bench seat in front. It looks like the original upholstery. And lo and behold, the car has automatic transmission. And you see two blank spaces there, one for the radio, one for the clock. And you see it says select air there on the ventilation round-faced gauge or panel there. Just amazing. I'd love to know the story behind this car. The owner wasn't present, so I don't know. Maybe he will see this video. I hope he does, or she, and fills us in on how this car was discovered. It's got to be a survivor. A little difficult videoing around this bench here and plantings. People wonder why the videos are sometimes disjointed, but it's a natural occurrence here. There's only a little bit of rust in that bottom of the front passenger fender there, but otherwise the car is very solid appearing. And another look here, 6-volt battery, of course, 1955. 56 they went to 12 volt, and there you see the compressor. There it is. I'd love to know if the air conditioning is working. You had to wonder, this had to be maybe a salesman's car or somebody who rode around in hot weather.